Ever thought about raising your own fish while growing high-quality produce? Ever thought about using robots to garden? Hi, I'm Brandy Marron, Ag Instructor at Danville Area Community College, and I want to take a minute to tell you about some exciting technology located in the DACC greenhouse, our brand new FarmBot and an aquaponics system. A FarmBot is a simple CNC machine that allows the user to plan, plant, water, and weed a garden bed using a simple desktop program. Aquaponics is the integration of hydroponics with aquaculture. In short, fish produce nutrients for the plants, while plants maintain a clean environment for the fish. Students will gain knowledge in system setup, design, and hands-on experience with robotics and aquaculture. These systems will be utilized in traditional ag courses, as well as new course offerings. Call us today to learn about these new opportunities at DACC.